how to deploy your Lovable AI project on Vercel. Open up Lovable AI, click on your profile icon in the bottom left, then go into settings. From here, we want to find connectors, and underneath connectors, you will find GitHub. Click on GitHub and then connect Lovable to your GitHub account, which you will use as an intermediate to Vercel. So right here, once you have connected it to your GitHub account, then we can go back and then select all projects and open up the project which we want to deploy on Vercel. Here you will see sync your project to GitHub, click on it and then click on connect GitHub. Now again we will click on connect project, and if you have previously linked your GitHub, you will just need to select this and transfer it. Okay, so once you begin syncing your project here, I'm just going to give it some time in order for it to sync. Okay, so you will have it right here. You will be able to view it on GitHub. If you click on view GitHub, then you will see your project. So now we need to go into Vercel, and then we will need to add new project. And right here, it is going to automatically detect your GitHub repository if you have connected it Vercel to GitHub. Then all you need to do is to click on import. You will need to type the name, the project, the theme here, and afterwards you will simply click on deploy. And that is how you deploy your Lovable AI project on Vercel. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.